In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to switch your Fortnite account on PS5, PS4, Xbox, Nintendo Switch, or any other console that supports Fortnite. So make sure to watch till the end so you do not miss any important steps. So first, open up any browser and search for Fortnite. Then go to the Fortnite website. Now here, wait for the Fortnite website to load. Now once the website is loaded, on the top right side you'll see the profile icon. Click on it and sign in. And after you sign in, go in your account. Then here on the bottom left side you'll see apps and accounts. Click on it. Now here scroll down and you'll see PlayStation Network. So click on remove. You have to check the boxes and then you should read all of this, and if you agree, check the boxes and then click on remove account. So now go back to the device on which you were playing Fortnite and now you can switch your Fortnite account. So this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching.